Welcome back to part 2 of just kind of farm chores, day in the life, and all that. Cool. Look, you guys upside down while I'm tablet charges. And my last one, I made cinnamon rolls. I'm unplugging you for a second while I sit underneath. So, this is my breakfast. God. You guys see the sun not beaming through the window. So, let me finish my breakfast and yeah. Last bite. I'm putting my plate in the sink. Then move on. Okay. Let me get my coat. You can do anything with just one hand. Like anything. Anything and everything with one hand. Code is not that hard. People are like, I have to sit you guys down because I have one hand and I don't think I'm gonna move this. Or you get my jacket on. Hey you can. Hey you can. You got your mom around, get her to help you. And if it's just you, put one in your hand, slide your hand through the sleeve, and then swap it over and then put your hand through the sleeve. It's the most easiest thing to ever do. Why do people think it's so difficult? Please let God tell me. Sorry, I wiped out my camera. Please let God tell me you just heard that. That was the most cutest little neigh at me ever. Hi! You big old boy. Hello, big old boy. That's him. That's the one that neighed at me. So tell me, hurry up, give me his hay. Yes, told me to hurry up and give him his haylage. We use Timothy hay. The best hay in the world. But you can't complain about this hay. Now, we would usually have a round roll, but we are getting a round roll today. We're just using some of this because the horses ran out of their last round roll, and we don't have a massive supply of hay. Down in Oklahoma, people run out of hay pretty quick right now, so we're having to find hay guides every new week. So, and sometimes it takes 2 to 3 weeks. So we stock up on these buckets just hay from our round rolls, and when we run low, we also have a bale of hay. So when we run low, we feed them out of that. So it's actually a pretty good schedule. Usually Kel's the one up doing all this. It just today I decided to let her sleep, and I really wanted to do some farm chores and make a video. So I made a video and also did farm chores. Say, at least Tommy's smart. Thanks, Tommy. Okay, there's 3 piles. The horses are happy and healthy. I'm wiping down my camera again because there's got haylage all over it. Tigger! Get out of the horse's water! So now I'm going to get the fence pieces I need to set up the roping chutes. Now, we don't have professional roping chutes. We don't. So we're going to use electrical post with hay string. So we're keeping hay string because you can really use hay string for anything. My brother broke his door handle. He used hay string now to open it. He tied it up, and now every time we need to open it, we just grab one piece of the hay string and pull it, and it opens. Hay string's used for anything. But we also keep the hay string because hay string's not expensive. Like, people will sell it for like $1.50 at Tractor Supply. Yeah, people are now selling hay string at Tractor Supply, not understanding. Buy a hay bale and you get free hay string. So yeah, it works better. I'm putting you guys down so I can untie this better. Yeah, it works a whole lot better. But today we're doing roping. So Kayla will have Jack. Poor Jack's fixing to be our dummy. I feel so bad for him, but he will have to be. So back then I'll have Jack. Probably we'll get him, like, I'll run him. We'll try. We're going to do with Dreamer first. And Tommy's I'll practically be the one roping off of Dreamer. And I haven't roped in months. So I'm taking a little roping. I'm doing a little bit of roping. But I did rope last night, and I did rope a cow. So it was my cousin's show cow. She let us rope him for a little bit. So I did rope. I do know how to rope. I'm pretty good at roping, actually. Tigger. So I can't say I'm an amateur. I am an amateur, but Kayla has a breakaway rope, and we're going to catch Jack with the rope. And to the point, Jack will just get used to us running up with horses and thinking he's just going to get caught with a rope, so he'll just stand there. And that's what I want to teach him, is because if I walk up to him with a halter and lead rope on horseback, he'll just stand there. And this is the best way I can find out how to do it. Because Jack runs for me. Jack is not a catching donkey. You have to chase him on horseback. But when he thinks he's free. When you let him loose, he'll sit there for a second and then he's free. He thinks he's free and he doesn't get caught. Has anybody seen Bronco Donks catching their mule Malibu? That's him. He thinks he's free. He's gone. And you cannot catch him. I used to be able to catch him all the time with just one person. I'll run him around and then I'll catch him. It wasn't that hard. But when winter hit, he wasn't riding. I wasn't riding him every day, 24/7. So he got, let me say, a break for 6 months. And that's where I messed up. Sorry guys, I'm on this other side doing this, so you're looking at nothing. So, yeah. Yeah. He thought he was free. He thought he did not have to listen to nobody. Nobody controlled him anymore. Well, he's now getting to the good point where I can catch him easily. I usually get 3 or 4. I usually get like 2 people out here on horseback, and we do rollbacks and slide stops with this donkey. Like that's how we catch them. Is literally we have Tommy and Dreamer, and they know how to do rollbacks and all that. So there's a cat. It's Screech that runs because I moved my aunt. So yeah. Our cats are friendly, just some days they're a little quirky, and it's kind of hilarious. When Screech sees me, it wants to walk up, and then I move my hand and it runs. So, yeah. It's kind of hilarious. Some days it is. Some days it's just, that's still hilarious. So, we have one more post to wrap. Ow! Hey guys. Give me like 1 second. And I'm back. I'm back here on doing this last post. I'm doing the final post. Like really, this is the final one, and I'm so happy. Let me tie these suckers tight. And it was a hassle to get this thing off. Okay, we got all the posts I need. Hold on, guys. Shoot. Yeah. So now we go to in here. We go in here. I don't know where I'm gonna set it up at. So we'll figure that out in a sec. So yeah, and I also have 2 more posts right here. So, oh, we also have another one. Oh no, that one's broke. That's right. That one's broken. So, yeah. So we're gonna figure out where we're gonna set this thing up, cause we got wood and all that around us. So we gotta figure out where we're gonna set this up at. I'm thinking more towards the trees, but I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. So I want it straight, so I think I can make it up there, and we could be good. So yeah, I think if I make it up there, the horses don't go up there much, and then clean the barrel out, get Jack kind of like right in line, and then we book them out come here, we rope. Yeah, I think that will be good. I think we'll go ahead and take up all the. We'll take it there. We'll take this up first. But also, I think I'm gonna do a chute. But I have no clue. It depends. It depends how I feel. No, Jack, because you're gonna be a roper donkey. So we'll have it. I don't want to. I feel like putting it up here would be too risky because it ain't a big enough opening. So I want to put it here and just block out the tree. So make our first one. I'm gonna mark it real quick. At the foot. This is sand, people. Hold on, because apparently my posts don't feel like going in the ground. And it is big enough for 2 horses to book it out. And this is also how my cousin's learning. In a roping shoe. So this kind of has to be set up correctly. So yeah. This is actually going pretty well. And then I'll put like a chute if I can. Like when I leave Jack in there. I'm on clip of culture. And we're just going to do fun stuff for the day. So hopefully this works. They're small, but I kind of anticipated them being a tad small. So that's why I did the measurements first and then stuck them in. Because we all have next up against the tree, but hopefully we'll just stay. Oh my god, the ground's solid. I don't know why. But we live in safety. It should not be this hard. Right coast into the ground. Finally, it's in. So, yeah. Now, for the chute, it's going to be a lot easier. Luckily, it will be a lot easier to make a chute. And I'll get Mom to function it. Shoot. This stick got in the way. Yeah, I'm gonna get Mom to function it. So, yeah. Ow! Dude, this should not be this hard. Electrical fence in the ground. It's acting like it's dying. So it won't go in the ground. And it makes my life a whole lot harder. I'm gonna prop you guys up now. You guys still won't be able to see me. So, yeah. So this post, we need to make a shoot. I don't know how we'll make the shoot. I need jacket. Or I get mom to grab the riding lawnmower. We use Jesse to open the chute. Mom down there with. I know how we're gonna. Yeah, I know. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Okay. Now I figured out how I'm gonna do that. It's a whole lot easier too. Like, top. Let's go around bottom, middle, straight down. We'll just back up to the post and then book it out after Jesse lets go of the doors. Mom goes, I don't know. Or we use Eggie. No, we use eggnog. I'll think of something. We might have to use a coat. But I'll think of something to use as a cap. Or bring May here and use a cap. You don't know. But it will come in time. This is still. It is very uneven, but who cares? As long as I can put Dreamer in the box and rope her out, I think we'll be fine. Well, I've been down the camera. Well, like, this is our boxes. They look like stalls, and they are, but they're boxes. So practically, horse would back up, and then Kayla send them out. We'll run down. Kayla would be the one. Hold on, if I'm on this side, okay, so I need to be on this side if I want to drive it, because Kayla's gonna come around. No, Kayla's gonna come around, rope it, dally, turn off, and then let her go. Okay, so now I figured out how we're gonna do it. Sorry, I had to remember roping things, so that's what I was doing. Yeah. I will have to fix that post as leaning, but it's fine. It's just fine. Definitely for roping shoots, and roping will practically be used. We'll practically be using the roping shoots all day today. So yeah. There's a lot of way we're doing this. We're doing it my fancy dancy way because my fancy dancy way counts. So I don't like to turn, so I'm gonna. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm trying to focus and set everything up. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to think and it's hard for me to think right now, so. We'll first do the top. We'll do the middle right now because we can't do the top because I don't have a top. Yeah. Sorry guys, I am so concentrated and all that. So hard for me to focus on the camera. Just trying to remember a bunch of things. And I cannot figure out what is there. What? Hi. I'm still setting up roping chutes because my electrical line got tangled. I've been dealing with unraveling things for the past 20 minutes. two or three things. Finally got it. By the way, I do talk to myself when I'm stressed. So if you hadn't heard any of that, what I was saying, I was stressed and talking to myself. Okay, finally! Something's unraveled. This took me forever. So, I'm going to end up putting a line in the middle. It's just it might take a second if I have to go get a knife and cut it. So then it just looks like a massive cut up. So, we're working with what we got. What I got is this line. So, overall, we have made a massive paddock. But let me go get a knife. Let me cut the let me cut the line. And then let me put it down the middle. Let me open the gates up. And we will have a functioning roping box. The horses probably won't get off on it, but it will take us a second to catch ponies. You know, I'd love to see who do this. If Tommy runs from us, I would love to see him try to jump that. I would just flat love it. It would be the most hilarious thing to see that horsey jump over him. Who's Dan? Something at the line. What's that? Do you know Mom? I've already fed them. Mom told me to do 7:30. I want to hang on hay, fed. I know how much we got. There's a dog coming with us. There's a dog coming with us right now. And possibly another dog. Come on, Sure. Bubba's? Or no, that's Dozer. I'm not letting Dozer out. Dozer's already been out for like 2 hours. Horses! You lousy animals! Learn to quit walking through the freaking fence! You stupids! Dude, these animals are dumb! Quit walking through the fence! Get out! Get on! Quit walking through the stupid fence! Stupid horses! Everything was set up nice and neatly, and these things had to come through. I was gone for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you dang animals. And in 5 minutes, you managed to do whatever you did. We're making a rope. No. Egg looks curious. So a curious eggnog came played with the fence. No, this is a portable one, so practically I can, hold on. I can pick it up, move it somewhere, do all that. But this is what it looks like. I'm not the best curator, so don't come at me in the comments that you don't know how to build one. Because I do. I watch so many videos. I have this stuff, and this stuff works better. I like this. But regularly, I won't let Kelly come see it. Or I'll let Kelly see it later when we set the horses up. So, yeah. And pull. Regularly, I'm just going to kind of pull everything in. How it should. And these could also be used as stables. So like they're like 3 in 1. They can be used as a tack-up station. Actually, I will not use that as a tack-up station. So 2 in 1. They can be used for many different things. Most things are a stable or stalls for feeding time. And rope and chutes. So I feel like they'll get tangled up, but it's fine. I can just easily untangle it. And yeah. So, okay, next project I have is I'm going to hopefully move these horses around. When I move over, I'll pet Dreamer. I don't really have lead ropes to spare for a tie down right now, but it's I think that will be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed part 1, and this one's fixing to be up. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.